Check it out. Check it out. It's right here. Let's talk about it real quick. So, it's a hot dog cooker, and it's like a toaster. It toasts the bread and the hot dog at the same time. We're fixing to do that. Let me tell you, about once every week and a half, I go by the gas station. I get me 2 hot dogs. And I thought, well, I saw this. I thought, well, I just get this, and I save a lot of money because I just have the hot dogs and buns at work, and I could just make them. Let's see if it works. Of course, the link to it will be down below, but let's see if it works. Let's go. Alright, so here it is. Like I said, it just looks like just a regular toaster. And what I did, this is brand new to me. It has a dial on the side and you can stop it. So what I did is I let it go a couple times, and when it did, it just kind of, for the first time, it just kind of smokes up and stuff, gets everything hot and ready. You know, you gotta pre-do all that. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, the 2 beef wieners right here. And there is a little bit extra room. You could probably put a little larger one in there. We're gonna take our bun, set her down in there like that. Let's put a timer on it. Alright, so I got it on a 4, it goes up to a 5. So now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go, oh, I didn't go down. Maybe it's because it's new, I don't know. But I'm gonna hit start, and we'll see how long it takes to cook the hot dogs. There you go. She done. Took 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Alright, let's get her plated up. We can stop that stopwatch. Now, one thing about it, it came with this little doohickey. I don't know if you're supposed to put it over like that. Screw that. Alright, let me get you rearranged, we'll come back. Alright, so let's see about the bread. It's got a little toasty to it. This one got a little more. Yeah, it's toasty. It's toasty. This here, I don't know about. We're gonna look at this. This one's a little harder to come out. There she comes. They feel done. Well, that's what you got. It actually looks pretty good. Let's see how it tastes. I like a little bit of crunch on the bun. It works. It's going to my work. Save money making hot dogs. It's Papa Texas Papa's Kitchen. See ya.